We guide you through how to add another email address to Outlook so you can manage multiple inboxes in one place. First thing you need to do is open Outlook on your desktop or log in through the Outlook web app. Then, go to Settings or click File and select Add Account. Enter the email address you want to add and click Connect. Outlook will automatically detect the email provider and apply the correct server settings. Then, prompt you to enter the password and complete sign in. Once added, the new email account will appear in the sidebar, allowing you to switch between inboxes easily. You can send and receive emails from each account without logging out, and customize notifications or sync settings for each one. After setup, test the new account by sending a message to confirm everything is working properly. This setup makes managing multiple email addresses is Outlook simple and efficient. So that's it.